Ta-da! December is here, so we can take a look at my Vanguard portfolio.
It's like Heimlich maneuver.
Hey, I'm Marta, welcome back to my channel. If you watch my videos regularly, or if you stumble on them regularly, you know the drill. In the first week of each month, I take a look at my Financial Freedom Fund, which consists of my stock and shares ISA and my SIP, so private pension. We had a bit of a dip these last couple of weeks, and one of you actually asked me if I continue investing. Here's the question. And the answer is yes, of course. If I have a bit more money to invest, when I can see that the market's a bit down, I invest a bit more. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to invest more than this time. Dips like that are just part of an investor's journey. So get used to them. Just accept them for what they are, look at them as an opportunity and keep investing. If you need that bit of reassurance, if you want to double check, yeah, please go ahead, keep asking me, but the answer will be always the same. Yes, I do invest, and no, I did not stop just because the value of my portfolio went slightly down. Right, let's open Vanguard and take a look at the numbers. As you know, I maxed out my ISA, so let's start with my pension and let's start with the transactions for full transparency. So the value of my pension at this moment is over £96,000, and the transactions in the last month since the last update, £1,000, 500, 500 and £1,000, so £3,000 in total. If we take a look at the overview, it will show us how much it was personal contributions and how much from my company. I still have some tax relief outstanding. It takes about 8 weeks for the tax relief to arrive in my account, so it will be added later. My investments in my SIP are simply Target Retirement 2040 Fund and Life Strategy 100 Equity Fund. Both green and both performing okay. Let's take a look at the last month. I cannot make that period any smaller, so this is it. So there was a slight dip here and we're back on track now. Let's take a look at the calculations, so all the fees, month by month performance. As you can see, between November and December, we've had a slight increase. Now let's take a look at my ISA. My ISA value is £83,000, 800 and something. And these are the holdings. No changes here, of course, and emerging markets is still in red, but less than last month. Let's look at the performance. The trend is still up. Maximum. So we have between the 1st of November and now still went slightly up. Calculations. Month by month performance. $81,700 to $83,800, so that's fine. And all investments I've ever had in this ISA, if you're curious, some of them I got rid of. Let's take a look at my whole portfolio, just a final look. So my portfolio value is £180,000, 242.61. My personal rate of return is 49%. As you know, this is not annual rate of return. I always need to stress that. And if you're curious how to calculate your annual rate of return, I actually made a video with your questions and I answered that question in that video. The graph is still going up. As you can see, there was this slight dip. Let's take a look at month by month. So from 173 to 179, and finally the insight, which is the location of my investments and the top 10 and sector allocation. So this is December, the last update of the year. One question to you: do you want to see those updates every month or every 2 months next year? If you have enough of them and you don't want to see them because they're quite repetitive. Some of you chase me every month and remind me to post them, so I'm in two minds about it. I know they act for most people, just like for me, as accountability, reassurance, just checking in and seeing what we're still doing, that we're still staying on track. I'm more than happy to post them monthly. My goal for this year was very bold and what I thought at the time a bit mad. I wanted to reach £150,000 in my financial freedom fund. I'm really pleased that I was able to hit that goal, and markets were so merciful that I reached 180k instead. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you did not sell. I hope you did not panic and saw that the market did jump back up right after those 2 weeks or so. 2021 done. Let's see what the next year brings. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.
Am I sharp? Am I sharp? Am I sharp?
Yes.
Ooh!